If your bank balance isn't growing, it's not your income. It's these 11 mistakes. And the worst part, you don't even realize you're doing them. You pay your bills, you avoid stupid purchases, maybe you even save a little, but somehow every month ends the same. No progress, no freedom, just survival. That's not bad luck, that's patterns. And today, you're going to see them clearly. Number 1, paying yourself last. Most people do this. Money comes in, bills go out, life happens, then maybe savings. But there's never anything left. Because saving is treated like leftovers. Wealthy people don't do that. They pay themselves first, automatically, immediately, without thinking. Because what comes last never grows. Number 2, spending to save. 40% off. Buy 2, get 1. Limited time deal. Feels like you're saving money. You're not. You're spending it. If you weren't going to buy it before, it's not a deal. It's a distraction. The only real saving is money you never spent. Number 3, not tracking your money. You think you know where your money goes. You don't. Because guessing isn't control. And what you don't track controls you. 100 here, 200 there, invisible. Until it becomes 10,000 gone. Clarity creates control. Number 4, lifestyle creep. You earn more, so you upgrade everything. Better house, better food, better lifestyle, and suddenly you're still broke, just at a higher level. Income increased, but so did your spending, so nothing changed. Number 5, using credit like income. Credit cards feel easy, too easy. Swipe now, worry later, and later keeps coming, with interest. The dangerous part? It doesn't feel like real money. That's why people lose control. Use credit like debit, or it will control you. Number 6, buying for your fantasy self. You bought the gym equipment, the books, the tools, the lifestyle, but not the habits. Buying feels like progress, but it's not. Action is. Don't buy the identity, build it. Number 7, saying yes to everything. Dinner, trips, plans. You don't want to miss out, so you say yes. But every yes to spending is a no to your future. And most people don't see it until it's too late. Number 8, waiting for more money. I'll start when I earn more. No, because habits don't start later, they scale. If you can't manage 1,000, you won't manage a lakh. Start small, start now. Number 9, ignoring small expenses. It's just 50. That's how it begins. Small leaks don't feel dangerous, but they add up fast. Money doesn't disappear in one big moment. It disappears quietly every day. Number 10, delaying investing. You think you need more money, more knowledge, better timing. You don't. You need time. And every year you wait costs you more than you think. Start small, but start. Number 11, not learning about money. This is the root of everything. No one taught you how money works, so you copied what felt normal, and normal is broke. Once you understand money, everything changes. Here's the truth. None of these habits feel dangerous. That's why they work. They don't destroy your future instantly. They slowly erase it. Now you've seen them. You've recognized yourself. Maybe in one, maybe in many. Good. That discomfort is awareness. And awareness is where change begins. Because the habits that got you here won't get you there. So the question is simple. Do you stay the same or do you change the system? Follow Layla for smarter money habits. Because your future depends on what you do next.